World Population Day, which seeks to focus attention on the urgency and importance of population issues. It is established by the then Governing Council of the United Nations Development Programme in 1989. World Population Day aims to increase people's awareness on various population issues such as the importance of family planning, gender equality, poverty, maternal health, and human rights. Theme for this year 2020 is to raise awareness of women's and girls' needs for sexual and reproductive health and vulnerabilities during the pandemic. Women, who make up the largest share of healthcare staff in the front line, are disproportionately exposed to coronavirus. Supply chains across the globe are being disrupted, affecting contraceptive supply and also causing the increased risk of unintended pregnancy. Healthcare systems are struggling to cope, and also there is a rise in the gender-based violence. The women who work in insecure labor markets are disproportionately hit harder by COVID-19's economic effects. As a result of school closures and increased needs of the elderly, the work of women in unpaid care has increased. Education and community program has been disrupted by this pandemic. Due to increase in population, as no such planned families, poverty, illiteracy, and women assaults are increasing. Due to this pandemic, pregnant women are struggling to go to the hospital for antenatal checkups. If the pregnant woman is affected with COVID-19, they are not allowing to see or touch the baby. Only through video call they can able to see the newborn babies, and also malnutritions are increasing among the children. Let's fight and overcome this pandemic.
Hello everybody, I'm Mrs. Deepa Nair, Associate Professor and HOD of the Department of Community Health Nursing, St. John's College of Nursing, Bangalore. I am here today to speak on the World Population Day. It is an annual event observed on July 11th every year, which seeks to raise awareness of global population issues. The event was established by the Governing Council of United Nations Development Programme in 1989. It was inspired by public interest on July 11, 1987, on which the world's population reached up till 5 billion people. World Population Day aims to increase people's awareness on various population issues such as importance of family planning, gender equality, poverty, maternal health and human rights. I think 25 years have passed since the conference, 1994 International Conference on Population and Development. The 2030 Agenda of the Sustainable Developmental Goals interpret for, or maybe we can call it as a blueprint for a better future for all on healthy planet. And on World Population Day, we recognize that this mission is closely interrelated with demographic trends including population growth. This year's theme is based on safeguarding the health and rights of human, especially the women and girls during the time of COVID-19 pandemic. And if lockdown continues, it will become a major disruption to health services, and 47 million women in the low and middle income countries might not be able to access to modern contraceptives. And this would lead to about 7 million unintended pregnancies. And it could also see rise in gender-based violence, female genital mutilation and child marriages. And I think many of the non-profitable organizations have come forward to help women during this crisis. And we must also change the world as community health nurses, starting to health educate women, each women, to see that they take care of their health from puberty to reproductive age. And most of all, I think we should educate both men and women, men and boys, okay, to see that they will respect women and to give liberty to follow the choice, keeping in mind the welfare of themselves, the country and the world. Thank you.
Good morning, one and all. Today, 11th July is marked as International Population Day, which is recommended by the United Nations Organization from the year 1987, especially to focus our attention on importance of population issues related to demographic trends, which includes population growth, aging, migration and urbanization. So all these may act as constraints in the development of our nation and which hampers the living environment. Also, it is estimated that as per United Nations Organization report, 7.8 billion people are living on Earth, and Asia is the most populous continent in the world. Especially China and India together constituting about 36% of the world's population, and with such a huge population, problems are bound to arise in every dimension of our life. In this scenario, people must be aware of population control by adopting different family planning methods, and also everyone should realize the health problem faced by childbearing women, gender equality, poverty and human rights. The theme this year is based on safeguarding the health and rights of women and girls around the world, especially during the time of this COVID-19 pandemic. The many research studies highlighted that if the lockdown continues, there is a major disruption to health services. Then 47 million women belonging to low and middle income countries might have not access to modern contraceptives. This would in turn lead to 7 million unintended pregnancies. Hence, we the nurses have enormous amount of information and knowledge about population issues, so explain the problems of population explosion and relevant issues for general public through print, electronic and digital media, so that we can give a message of awareness of population explosion at bottom level of the society. Thank you. Jai Hind.